When I was a student, I also stuck to recall the formulas. All formulas are messing up with each other and it's hard for me to recall the exact formula of the question asked. So, if you also feel the same and you also stuck like me, then here I am presenting to you a step-by-step method by following which you can easily memorize the formulas. So let's begin. Number 1. Understand the formula. Well, yes my friend, it's my first and very important advice to you. Don't jump directly to memorize or mug up the whole formula, but try to first understand it. Let me give you an example of this. First, break it up into parts and understand its each and every term. Example, in force is equals to mass into acceleration. F is equals to ma. Now, know that force is how strong you push or pull. Mass is the weight and acceleration how speed changes. If you know or understand each term, it will be very easy to you memorize the formula. Now, second step. Convert the formula into fun phrase or story. Example, V is equals to Ri in Ohm's law. Like VIP, I rock. Voltage is equals to current multiply resistance. So always use to convert the formula into a fun image to make your memorization better. Third step, associate with a visual or real life example. Example, speed is equals to distance upon time. Have you remember a past experience of yours when you were driving a car and your speed depends upon how far and how long you had drive? If it is so, it will be very easy for you to memorize it. Now let's get into step 4. Write it down repeatedly. Write the formula at least 5 times. It will stick to your mind. Step 5th. Test yourself with flashcards and quiz yourself for better recall. For better recall process, have this process earlier. 6th. Explaining it to someone else. When you were solving the questions, just speak it out loud like you are explaining it to someone else. It will help you to memorization your process better. Last, revise in intervals. Example, you can revise it in a very next day or in a week's time. If you follow the whole step-by-step method, it will hard for you to forget the formula. If you like this, share this with a friend who really needs it. And for more tricks and tips, just subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye.